Do you grind your teeth or wake up with jaw pain? Your neck may be the real culprit. The top vertebra in your spine, the atlas and axis, are closely connected to the jaw. When they're misaligned, it can create muscle tension, nerve irritation, and throw off your bite. We've helped countless patients reduce jaw pain and clenching by addressing alignment at the top of the spine, not just the jaw. Upper cervical chiropractic care realigns your atlas, relieving tension and helping your jaw to function naturally. Want to stop the cycle of clenching and pain? Visit uccnearme.com to find a chiropractor near you, or you can visit our office, Upper Cervical of Sioux Falls.